Now it's no longer about Umkhwanazi versus Umchunu and them. Manje is Umchunu versus them. So Umchunu came out. I'm not sure if we could say he was exposing or just making a public announcement. But what Umchunu alleged to have been said is that 171 million rands, Yama taxpayer, has been spent towards the VIP protection for the past 5 years. And this VIP protection, it excludes the president and it also excludes the cabinet. Now you ask yourself, ukuthi le 171 million if ayina ku president for protection, and it's not even going to the cabinet for protection. Now 171 million rands, when they break it down, but 71 million is for legislative leaders such as the speaker and the deputy speakers of parliament and provincial legislators. And then 45 million is for judges, including the chief justice and the judge presidents. And then 55 million is for ad hoc VIPs assessed to face specific threats. That's how they spend the 171 million. Shockingly, the president and the cabinet, the budget yabo bone yama taxpayer towards their protection for the past 5 years, it has been calculated to be 1.31 billion. So 131 billion rands towards the protection fee or protection services as a president and the cabinet. Now, if you take 131 billion and 171 million, you put it together, that's the amount, or that's the money, Yama taxpayer, that is being spent towards protection of the VIPs Zala in South Africa. Now, Umchunu has exposed that, or he has made that public knowledge, and I think that he's doing that. Recently, the new Minister of Police, or should I say acting Minister of Police. But that Minister of Police came out to the press or the reporters, he's not an acting minister, but he is the Minister of Police. So maybe that, and then he decided to just go on a public platform and expose these expenditures, Zama taxpayers. And also, guys, please do subscribe if you enjoy this content. You can comment and share the video. But most importantly, you can click here with Profile Yami somewhere here on my name. It will take you to my profile, and then you just click the subscription button. That's all I ask for you. And Mangabe, you are pushing any small, big, or medium business and you want to advertise on my channel, just send me a DM, just like this lady did. But unfortunately, she doesn't have TikTok. But these are the items that she's selling for Abantwana Beskolo. Now, inside here, there is Topaz biscuits, there is Fritos, there is knickknacks, there is Amasimba, and then there is juice, and then there's also PS chocolates and Sawbun. But there's also PS chocolates. So if you want to advertise on this channel, just send me a DM and then we'll talk. Nathi mele sidle le mali because of yadli.